my name is Jasmine, or J Nicole on most social media, and this is the intro to my brand new YouTube channel. I've been wanting to have a YouTube channel for years, but what stopped me is what stops most people from doing this whole thing. You know, I didn't feel like I had the right camera, the good lighting, the stuff that you see most YouTubers have. But at the end of the day, where I am in my life, I just felt like I should go for it. So here I am. I'm a 30-year-old college grad. I work a full-time job, and I'm also a business owner. I own a hair extensions business. We sell customized wigs, braided wigs, mink lashes, and it is called Lush Hair Suite. The link will be found down below, of course. But basically, I've always received questions about my hair and makeup, and I feel like the thing with this whole YouTube thing, or basically the gurus that I know I watch and many women watch, is that more times than not, they use these products that, you know, most of us can't afford. And if we can't afford, we don't want to spend our money on that type of stuff. Like the $45, $50 foundations, the huge eyeshadow palettes. That's not the type of woman I am. And I know a lot of us, you know, feel like we have to use those products. But what I've come to learn is that it's not the products you use, but it's the technique. Even when they do a drugstore routine, most of them will go to your Walgreens and CVS, get this big bag of stuff that they've never used before, and they sit down in front of the camera and do this drugstore tutorial, and it's like, that's cute, but y'all don't use that stuff every day. And quite frankly, I'm true to this. So even when I would get questions from the women in my life, it's like, oh, do you have on MAC, or do you got on this new foundation, CoverGirl, Revlon, NYX? Like, you know, I use the drugstore and beauty supply store products every day. So I feel like, where are the girls who aren't using those expensive products? Even in this whole saturated like makeup tutorial YouTube guru land, it was a space for me, because I'm not about to get in front of y'all and show y'all this foundation, or, you know, not that there's anything wrong with that type of stuff. It's just, even at this point where I can afford it, I'm still not that girl. I honestly believe that money shouldn't stop a woman from just feeling cute and feeling like she could put her best face forward. Everyone should have those few skills that they can pull out when they want to be their best self. Whether it's a date night, whether they want to feel cute for work, whether they're going out with their girls, they should have those makeup tricks and tips that they can pull out their bag to be their best self. And they shouldn't have to use those expensive products to do it. The goal of my channel is to teach you all how to use affordable products to get that desired look that you're looking for. While I'll be focused on makeup and makeup tutorials and recreations, I also plan on just adding a few hair videos, but also some behind the scenes of my girl boss journey. So hopefully I got your attention. And if you're interested in seeing me a little bit more, or just seeing the videos that I plan on bringing y'all, then click that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. Leave your Instagram. Let's connect. Let's, you know, get to know each other. You know, hopefully you'll be here to take this, you know, this little YouTube journey with me. I'm trying to stick it out. This is hard, okay? This whole little setup and stuff, I just was not anticipating this, but hey, I'm here now. I don't plan on quitting, so, and I'm speaking into existence. I will see y'all next time. Bye.